And this is by country like El Salvador
Yeah.
excites me because Southern America is, let's just say, not that developed. Even if it is developed, it's not that economically doing well. The whole of South America, there's crime, there's
There's a lot
tax
of
evasion,
crime.
there's trafficking, there's a lot of problems that South America has. There are beaches and there are
Mountains. Latinas.
what kind of
dancing.
mountains?
There
So-
are beaches, Latinas.
So there's a lot of tourism stuff, but
Yeah.
otherwise, it's not a place you would settle in, right?
Yeah.
You would not like to settle there unless you know martial art
Yeah.
or you have a gun. So this could actually turn Southern American countries into something positive.
Very
Because
positive.
as the guy himself tweeted out, and he has said how it will help El Salvador. I don't know. We were reading this stuff just earlier, right?
Yeah.
It would increase the GDP by 25%, the growth rate,
Yeah.
and I don't know, save $20 million per year in taxes that go out,
Remittances.
because most of El Salvador, the people who are earning are actually outside El
Outside El
Salvador.
Salvador.
So they send back money, and a lot of that goes into taxes. Same with India.
Yeah.
A lot of NRIs sending money back.
To India.
You
Factor income from abroad. That's an economic term.
What is that? Balance of payments,
Yeah. Balance of payments.
and it
That's
gets
factor
disturbed,
income.
right? Because NRI
FIFA,
earning money
yeah.
and giving back to their families, a lot of that goes into taxes. So if you're a Bitcoin, if you're sending Bitcoin back,
There's no tax. You're getting
there's
100%
no tax.
of
There
the
might
amount
be
sent.
tax, transferring that.
Taker fee and creator fee. That's 0.002%.
Yeah, there might be some tax involved in converting the Bitcoin into dollar, as El Salvador uses dollar.
Yeah.
So there might be a tax in that, but that's much less than remittances
Exactly.
for foreign money coming back into the country.
And
So go on.
it's just a step that was long due. Now because
Yeah.
Bitcoin or cryptocurrency as a whole domain is now so famous, so known, so understood by youth like us, youth like you watching, youth like your friends, your neighbors. Today it's like this. Back in 2017-16, it was hard to find someone who knew crypto, right?
Yeah, I don't know, we
it was
heard
super
about
hard.
crypto in 9th or 10th, right?
Yeah, we heard about it, but it was hard that everybody knew what crypto was.
Yeah, I don't know if तेरे साथ ऐसा था, but I heard about Bitcoin or stuff,
Yeah,
and I had no idea what Bitcoin is.
exactly.
I was like, mining होती है,
हाँ.
there's something like Bitcoin,
And it
it's
pops up.
and it's the value is very high, and that's it.
My uncle bought a Bitcoin for 22,000. He's living the dream. he's living the dream. I saw in his wallet. He one day, it was Raksha Bandhan's day, and my sister
For
was
the record, how much is Bitcoin right now?
33 lakhs. So you can do the math and get the percentage of the investment, and he still has that. He's still
You
holding
would
on.
need a calculator.
You wouldn't need a guy. so yeah, coming to the point that back in 2017-18, very few people knew about Bitcoin. 2018 saw people knowing about Bitcoin, but few hold it.
The pandemic was like
1920 were like everybody knows about Bitcoin, and more than few people hold Bitcoin. And the future is there. You will find no person no person around you that does not hold a Bitcoin or any crypto, any format of
Right.
crypto. So this is how the switch is taking place. एल साल्वाडोर आज आप लोगों को लग रहा होगा that this country क्या है, हमने कंट्री का नाम भी नहीं सुना था. कंट्री का फ्लैग क्या है नहीं पता तुम्हें, अभी तुम देख रहे हो. मेरे को I'm not claiming, but
हमें पता है क्योंकि हमारे सामने खुला है.
हमारे सामने है. but still at some point मुझे नहीं पता था इससे पहले फ्लैग. मेरी geography
I did not think of El Salvador ever, except when I was playing, Atlas.
exactly Atlas या वो back में
And I was among the good ones if I said El Salvador.
Yeah. Touche. So me thinking of myself as someone who is geographically quite aware, but still El Salvador, country like that, if they took a decision, it's not about how small they are or how unknown they are on the world stage. El Salvador से कोई athlete नहीं आया कभी. El Salvador कभी कुछ नहीं देखा तुमने यार, कुछ नहीं देखा.
देखा होगा,
उनका आज ये स्टेप इतना इसलिए
देखा
matter
होगा।
करता है। क्या
एल सैल्वाडोर से।
क्या
Moving on.
So exactly, but the point here is that the move they took was way ahead than everybody. That's like David winning against the Goliath, and now everybody will follow the David to the same field.
Yeah,
to the same level
like
playing
the
field.
Chinese guy Jack Ma says, right? It's not about who's the best, it's about who's the first,
First to do.
right? And for sure, this will be on record. Other Southern American countries are about to follow them.
Exactly.
Let this be out there. I'm
Let's
staking my claim, going for gold.
Same here. अच्छा अगर नहीं हुआ तो let's put a stake.
अगर नहीं हुआ तो क्या यार, podcast will go on.
Life goes on, but again, even I'll also stake this that yes, other countries have to accept Bitcoin, because not only it's about countries being totally dependent upon tourism. If you go to Brazil, they have something. Brazil is quite developed country, but El Salvador, Peru, Chile, these countries have a lot less in production
Again,
capacity.
Brazil is also what we see is developed, right? There's
Yeah.
only Rio de Janeiro, and even Rio de Janeiro, the part we see are the people
वो वाला
partying,
statue देखकर
right?
Christ did
We
it,
don't
ना?
see the favelas,
Yeah, you don't see the favelas. You do
except
not
in Fast and Furious, and that is not pleasant.
you do not see the gangsterism that is around Brazil.
Yeah.
People, if they had to go for a shoot, they had these machine guns with them, bodyguards always there, because any gangster could, attack them. Celebrities going.
You have seen the Vice video, right?
Yeah, exactly.
The Ben Anderson
Ben Anderson
covering
video.
Brazil after the Rio Olympics, right?
Yeah.
They covered up the favelas with walls,
Yeah.
like our guy did in Ahmedabad. But after that, nothing. Back to this shooting. Back to shooting, back to gangs, and this
Staggering
thing.
poverty.
And imagine Brazil, sports-wise, if it was developed. You see
Brazil-
Brazilian sports guys,
You see,
especially in football and martial arts.
not just Neymar, Ronaldo, but everywhere. Brazil people, if they were developed, if they were, on a level playing field as the US or Canada, or had the,
They would fucking kill these guys.
they would.
They would actually not give any mercy to
So-
these guys.
Exactly. I have a friend, Brazilian friend. She met me on an international competition. Her name is Julian Salvador, and she lives around 210 kilometers away from Rio de Janeiro. And there was this huge COVID crisis that was taking.
Yeah.
Brazil was hit worse. Then it came to India, but pehle Brazil was suffering a lot, and she
It's
told
still
me-
suffering, right? They
Yeah,
have a
still suffering.
president problem.
Yeah,
Jair Bolsonaro, shout out to Jair Bolsonaro.
that guy is amazing.
No.
He has the balls to do
not.
things.
What the fuck, man?
He's like, I'm dumb, but I'm publicly dumb, so I have balls to.
He's the Southern American version of Donald Trump, which means he's worse. Shout out to Jair Bolsonaro, bro. He's not watching us. I am not scared at all.
So, what Julian was telling me? She was telling me that the vaccine, they told us, arrived at the center, and it took us, nearly 2 days to reach, to cover a 200-kilometer distance because of checkpoints. So it took them 2 days just to cover 200 kilometers. India में आप 6 घंटे में कर लेते हो, 6-7 घंटे में. If you are into a metropolitan or even tier 2 cities, so you can cover up that much of distance. So it took them 2 days just to reach Rio de Janeiro and to enter, that city hospital that they have, one in the center, just to hear that they are out of vaccines. But they were told along the way, all time on the radio, on news, the vaccine is available, everything is available. And they got stuck, they couldn't come back.
Yeah, they're fucked up, man. Southern American countries is what we see is not at all what it is.
Exactly.
We see Argentina, we see, Lionel Messi.
Yeah.
But there is more to that. Argentina's capital is what?
Buenos Aires.
Buenos Aires, right?
Yeah.
There's crime in Buenos Aires. There's legit a lot of crime there. There's crime in Rio de Janeiro. Brasilia is the capital of Brazil, by the way.
Yeah.
Sao Paulo is.
Is Brazilian. Did I say that Sao Paulo is the
I'm
capital?
just giving out a fact. I'm
yeah.
bragging.
Yeah. He didn't knew about Buenos Aires. 1-1.
I knew about Buenos Aires.
But you never said.
I was giving you the opportunity to
Oh,
sound intelligent.
Shut the fuck up. So, coming back to the topic again.
But this is great, and this will happen. Southern American countries will be
The
either
first.
the Southern American countries, or I think the North African countries.
They have to do this. They have to. sustain themselves.
Ethiopia, and these countries.
Chad and Congo and Ghana. Are
Yeah.
you talking about them? Yeah.
Yeah.
They need that.